Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coding with Kids channel. Today we continue our data structures series. Today we are diving into the world of stacks. Stacks are fundamental data structures in computer science, and we will explore what they are, how they work, and why they are important. Basically, what is a stack? So, what exactly is a stack? Imagine it like a stack of plates. You can only add or remove plates from the top. Similarly, is programming a stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in first out principles LIFO. The last item added is the first one we removed. We will consider real life analogy. Let's use a real life analogy to understand this better. Think of a stack of books. When you add a new book, it goes on the top. When you want to read the book, you start with the one on top, not the one at the bottom. There is a key operation of the stacks. Stack have two primary operations. So push so one, and push is to add an item to the top, and so another one is pop. Pop is to remove the top item, and you can also use the peek to see the top item without removing it. So we are going to move into the real life scenario of the stacks. In this video, now I'm coding practicing the real life scenario of the stacks. First, we want to create a stack. How to create a stack? So very simple way to create a stack. So first, we want to create a stack class. Here stack our elements are string. Then object new. Our stack initialization is complete. Then we are going to use push operation to add to the value in stack. Stack dot pick, pop, and push. Is the item one. The first item push to the then dot push item two. And also we can add another item push item. Yes, that's enough. Then here I add the comment to your very better understanding. So pushing items onto the stack. Yes, that's a comment. My then we are going to popping item from the our stack. We add our push items, push method to add the item to the stack. Then we are going to the popping item from the stack. Here I add comment popping items onto popping items from the stack. Yes. How to pop in the item in the stack? So string, our class is string, pop in item equal dot use the pop method. Now we can print our result and see our stack creation and the popping item are working properly. How to print our result, our popping item. Here I come into the yes, and I also mentioned so there is another method. What is the method name? The name is a peak. Why are you using peak? Peak is using to see the top item without removing it. It's the same thing. Here I add the peak method string item dot peak. Now this is also print. So top item, top item. Now we are going to build and run our program. So very simple for the stack building. Yes, project is running, stream project is running. Yes, our results are printing. What is the first results? We are going to print our popped item. Yes, popped item. Pop item first one is last insert item is item number 3. So our stack is creating a stack is building properly. Then we use the peak to the see the top item without removing it. So top item is 2. So removing the top item is 2. So everything is correct. Actually, stack is a very important data structure of the programming. In meantime, why stack are useful? So stack are used in a variety of applications. For example, the help with function calls, programming languages. So the call is the stack. Undo operation in software and passing expressions. In come to the conclusion, to sum it up, stacks are fundamental data structures that follows the last in first out principles. They are simply yet powerful and have many practical uses in programming. And finally, I hope you found this video due to the helpful and its understanding stack in Java. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on data structures and algorithms. If you have any question or topics you like us to cover, please leave us the comment below. Thank you for the watching.